Hello and welcome back to Abby Juicing. I'm going to be sharing with you some amazing benefits of using dates in your recipe. Stay tuned. Dates are often associated with dessert, but this nutritious fruit can offer some pretty impressive health benefits. Here are some ways that dates can protect your health, and also some ways to incorporate these into meals, snacks, drinks, and treats, and this will take your health to the next level. Stay tuned. As you can see, I'm removing the seeds from the dates just to make sure that it will not tamper with the machine. That's why I'm removing, and everything is ready, and I will put it into the machine. For this Nama J2 juicer, it's very easy to prepare your almond milk because you don't need a cheesecloth. It's very easy. As you can see, the machine will press everything out. It's absolutely the quickest way to prepare your milk. Let's keep going. Dates protect heart health and blood sugar regulation. A study tested date consumption on both blood fats and glycemic index. 100 men and women with type 2 diabetes were randomly assigned to eat either no dates at all or to add 3 dates daily for 16 weeks, and the findings was pretty interesting. The date eaters experienced a significant decrease in total cholesterol and bad LDL. The findings also indicated that dates did not impact glucose levels because of dates' low glycemic index. And this is the reason why you should be incorporating dates into your recipes each and every day.